Ever felt drained from saying yes too often? What if the word no is the key to a calmer, more focused life? Let's talk about the art of saying no and why it might just be the most powerful word you ever use. Every time you say yes to something that doesn't serve your goals, you're saying no to your time, your peace, and your priorities. Learning to say no isn't selfish, it's self-respect, and it's the first step toward taking control of your energy. Here are a few ways to say no without guilt or drama. I'd love to, but I'm fully booked right now. Thanks for thinking of me, but I need to pass. Let me get back to you. Buy yourself time before committing. Remember, every no to them is a yes to yourself. Imagine a friend asks you to help last minute. You want to help, but you're exhausted. Instead of agreeing out of guilt, you say, "Hey, I wish I could, but I really need to rest today." I hope you understand. That's power. That's peace. Saying no isn't rejection. It's redirection. Protect your time like it's gold, because it is. If this video gave you clarity, hit like, share it with someone who needs this, and don't forget to subscribe for more powerful mindset shifts every week. Now tell me in the comments, what's one thing you need to start saying no to?